All right. So today, we aren't doing any of this. MaXpeedingRods wanted to send us this turbo to give a review on. Alex definitely didn't open it yet. So this is 100% our first view of it. Surprisingly came quick in the mail, quicker than we thought from China. So this is everything you get. Got this big old turbo. We have an exhaust gasket and the oil feed and drain gaskets and some directions. Next we have the turbo. So here she is, all 98 millimeters. So let's get into it. So overall, I think it looks pretty clean. Everything looks nice. All cast. No shaft play at all in any direction. In and out, side to side. These are cast wheels, but you can't expect billet ones for $200. They did balance the inlet intake wheel, if that's what it's called. I really don't know. Right there, you can see it. We'll see if they balance the exhaust side. I don't see any markings, but what do I know? So yeah, overall I'd say it looks solid. You can't expect much for 200 bucks, but it looks like they give you about everything you need. I think Lucas just got here. That's actually what the turbo is going on. Lucas's drift box.
Like, that's, as Trump once said, huge. Guys, like Brenner said, absolutely no shaft play.
And it's not even oiled yet. There's no oil in it.
Brenner, can you do some lifting for me?
Some lifting.
But yeah, guys, let us know what car to put this on. We're just gonna slap it on that thing and see what happens.
Blow the tires off of her.
Oh yeah.
Really bad, so.
Okay.
Actually, no, I'll just pop the ones that are on so I can flip these.
I was about to carry this with one hand, but like, I don't know. This thing's not gonna break if I hold it from like here, right?
What?
It's not gonna break if I like.
Hold it anywhere.
Okay. This thing is mad heavy. This thing is legit like. This is like 45 pounds. Guys, the turbo's installed in E36 and...
Yeah, to rip some shitties.
I'm surprised it didn't fall. but I'm just gonna let her cool down a little bit, and we're gonna attempt again to pop the tires.
Imagine we have a fat like burnout pit here.
Just put it against the wall.
It's literally so good though. You should get a wall tap going.
Dude, I thought you were.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not
right
trying-
here when you swung it
I
right there.
thought
I
you
thought
were.
you were trying for it.
I'm not trying to hit my car. But
Nah,
I was
don't.
down to get close.
Yeah, get close, dude.
Oh, that's good enough. And almost one Lucas. One Lucas? Oh yeah. I got turned around.
He says I'm not leaking anything.
They don't want to go.
Are you making a YouTube video? Looks
Reiner, I smell something. I smell something, bruh.
I think it's just cool.
Oh my god. Dude.
Hey, here's our first visitor in town, and he missed all the fun. Guess you're gonna have to go again.
Reiner, this is not from your car, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
That's all. All this?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Well, boys. The coolant took an L.
Oh fuck, I didn't even see that it leaked that much.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot of damage.
It's all over your fucking. I wonder if it blew the heater door. Look, it's all over the fucking.
Is that bad?
What was it?
Panamera.
Guys,
I don't know, I can't-
it's super.
Super.
Super speed.